Hello guys, this is Uzma Sheikh and welcome back to my channel U.S Beauty. My today's video is a DIY video about how you can make your skin brighten and lighten within 10 minutes. Yes, so today I'm going to show you how you can make your skin lighten and brighten, and also how it will moisturize your skin within 10 minutes. So ingredients I have used in it is lemon, glycerin, almond oil and cucumber gel. You can also use aloe vera gel. So first of all, I'm going to tell you the benefits of each ingredient. About lemon, it is very much beneficial in lightening and brightening your skin. It will give you a radiant skin. It is also an antibacterial ingredient. It will also reduce blackheads. And about glycerin, it is an antibacterial thing and it is full of antioxidants. It slows down aging. It is extremely moisturizing and soothing. It will give a great glow in your skin. And now we will talk about the almond oil. We all know how beneficial is almond oil. It will give your skin a moisture and a soothing effect. It is also great for the purpose of hair and also for taking it with the milk or something like that. It will provide nutrition also to your body, and it is also beneficial for the face if you use it regularly. And the next ingredient is cucumber gel. As we all know, it will soothe the skin and it will calm down the temperature of the skin, and it is very effective, and it will also reduce the puffiness in your eyes and also the tiredness from the eyes. It will reduce the dark circles, freckles and blackheads. If you apply it daily 2 times, then it will give a great result. So guys, without wasting any time, let's start how to make this glow serum. So mixing this all ingredients will be a great idea, and so now I'm here to show you how we will make this. And so let's start now. First we will take an empty bowl and we will put 1 tablespoon of cucumber gel, or also you can use aloe vera gel. So I'm going to take 1 tablespoon of cucumber gel in it. So here is the cucumber gel. Next thing is almond oil. So I'm going to take some 5 to 6 drops of almond oil. So I have put almond oil in it, and now the turn is of glycerin. So we are going to put glycerin in it, also some 5 to 6 drops. And we are done with the glycerin. And now what next we are going to do? First we will mix it well. So I'm going to mix it well, all the ingredients except the lemon. So I am mixing this well. You can see how smooth gel or paste, whatever you say, it has turned out. And now what next we will do, we are going to put lemon in it. Half of the lemon in it we are going to put. So half of the lemon is here, lemon juice. And now we are going to mix it well again, so that the lemon juice get combines in it. You can see it is mixing very well. And now what you have to do, you have to wash your face with cold water, and you have to apply it on your face and keep it for 10 minutes. So guys, I'm going to show you how to apply it, and I'm also going to show you the result. So let me apply it. So here I have applied this serum and I'm going to keep it for 10 minutes, and little itching or burning sensation will be there as we have put lemon in it, but it will give a great result. So I'm keeping it for 10 minutes, and after 10 minutes I'm going to show you what result it is going to give to your skin. So guys, 10 minutes have been occurred and I'm going to wash it, and I'm going to show you how effective the results are. So after washing it, you can see how beautiful and how lighten and whiten my skin has turned out. The part of the fingers and the upper part of my body, you can see the difference in it, and how whiten my skin has turned. You can see how brightened my skin looks and how lightened the color of my skin has turned out within just 10 minutes. And definitely guys, give it a try. You will also get the good result of it, and do let me know in the comment box whether it worked out for you or not. And also subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button, and if you like this video and if you get effective result, also give it a like and a thumbs up on my video. So thank you guys, stay blessed.